Our top focus is Bangalore. Bangalore still reeling under the shock of the rape of a 6-year-old in a school, and now comes the news of yet another rape of a minor. The mother of the victim worked at a garment factory and she used to leave her child with a maid after school. The son of this help has now been accused of raping the minor. The incident has been confirmed by the Additional Commissioner of Law and Order.
One more rape case has been incident occurred in Kamakshi Palaya.
Yes. The case has been registered. I will be visiting the spot after this meeting.
Well, there has been yet another case of rape now being reported from the IT city. This comes at the back of the case that we have been highlighting for the last 2 weeks of a 6-year-old who was raped inside the school compound. Now, this case has been confirmed by the Bangalore police. We're talking about a 7-year-old. Her mother worked at a garment factory. We're being told that the help's son is the person behind this brutal attack on the girl, and now it's being confirmed that it is rape in Bangalore. Deputy Editor South Rohini Swami now joins me live from Bangalore. Rohini, this is shocking really. Another case of rape being reported from the IT city within 3 weeks.
Well, just while one is being investigated, here's a case of another one where we've seen a 7-year-old child has been sexually assaulted. But the police have said this incident took place on the 25th of July, and it has been the case was registered on 27th. As the sequence of events, what the police have been telling us is that the mother of the child, who's working as a garment worker, factory worker, she leaves her child after school hours in a particular center so that after she comes back from work, she picks her up. Now, the ayah, or the lady who takes care, the maid who takes care of the child, her son is the assaulter, is the person who's been arrested. He works as a carpenter, and very clearly the police have said that there are 2 issues in this. One, they have to confirm rape. They are awaiting medical reports. Secondly, they have registered the case very clearly because under the new amended act, any kind of misconduct on a girl child amounts to rape, and that is why they have arrested him and they are questioning him. But it's shocking because the whole idea is that young children are not safe, be it in their homes or where they're kept in creches and centers where they're looked after. They just seem to be not secure. And what is important right now, and what not just the state government but the police also need to stress upon, is that the fear for the lawmakers, the fear for law, or else this will continue. People will think they can do whatever they want and get away with it. But yes, stringent action and stringent punishment against those people who are such perpetrators will possibly reduce these kind of incidents.
Rohini, just for some clarity, do tell us about whether this incident took place within the childcare center. Where did this exactly happen? We have no clarity on that yet.
Well, let me tell you that this place is called is in the heart of the city, Kamakshi Palaya area. The mother leaves the child in this childcare center because she is, as I said, as a garment factory worker. When she comes back from work, she picks up the child. So after school hours, between end of school and the time when the mother picks up, she's kept in a childcare center. The lady who takes care of her in the childcare center, her son is the perpetrator, is the accused in this case. He works as a carpenter. He was there at that time, and what the mother suspected something wrong because the child complained to the mother, and that is why the mother went and filed a case with the Kamakshi Palaya police station. Based on that, the police have requested for a medical report to confirm how serious the whole offence is, because they can book the accused accordingly, and that is what is happening at this point of time.
Rohini, what other details do we have on this assaulter? Do we know if he's admitted to this assault?
I'm sorry, can you repeat your question?
Rohini, my question is, can you bring us details on the assaulter in question, the accused? Has he admitted to the crime?
Well, what we know that he has said that he is involved in the crime. He has accepted and he has basically told the police he works as a carpenter. But the police are saying that he is not ready to tell them details as to exactly what was the sequence of events from his side. But yes, based on what they have heard from the child as well as the mother, this is what they have managed to piece the jigsaw puzzle as of now.
Alright, Rohini, we'll keep coming back to you for more. That's the latest coming out of Bangalore as we speak. There's been yet another rape of a minor in Bangalore, this time at a child care center. Clearly, there's a lot of work to be done as far as childcare centers are concerned. Not only schools, the safety of your child really being questioned by many, especially worried parents, after 2 incidents have been reported from the IT city within 3 weeks. After the Bangalore police's U-turn on the case involving the rape of a 6-year-old, the family of the main accused of raping the minor has spoken out. They say they knew that he was innocent. Mustafa's mother spoke exclusively to Headlines today.
देखिए, हम लोग को तो कुछ मालूम नहीं है, उस पर कोई भी हाथ नहीं था, पुलिस वाले भी बोल रहे हैं। अब उसको क्या जुर्म में उसको गिरफ्तार किया था, क्या जुर्म में रखा था, हाँ, वो तो हम लोग को नहीं मालूम ना। ऊपर आ जाए तो हम सब बोलेंगे, बच्चे को सब मालूम होगा क्या बात है नहीं है। तो हम लोग सब आप लोगों का किचन में आके हम लोग बच्चे के साथ में ला के हम लोग आपके पास में सब बयान करेंगे। देखिए, आप वो गलती करे, अब उन्होंने सच करे, ये तो हमको मालूम नहीं है, मगर हमको यकीन है कि हमारा बच्चा ऐसा कर नहीं सकता है। हम हमेशा यही बात बोलेंगे कि हमको यकीन है हमारा बच्चा, हम ऐसा कभी नहीं करेंगे। माँ पे कभी झूठ नहीं बोलेगा मेरा बच्चा। कोई भी गलती करे तो हमारे बच्चे के पास हम जाए, मिलने को गए तो भी मेरा बच्चा इतना रो रो के हमारे को बोलने लगे कि माँ हम कोई गलती नहीं करे, माँ हमको फंसाया गया है। अब दोस्त भी बहुत रहते हैं, दुश्मना भी बहुत रहते हैं। अब उसके अंदर किसके हाथ है ये तो हमको मालूम नहीं है, तो ऊपर वाला कोई मालूम है।